Hey, this is Brett. Hey, here's another house we closed for a client. We're coming in to do some rehab on this one, and it's actually an income property that'll rent for around $1,300 a month. So, this is a great property. We also closed 4 other properties this week. We have a nice one over in Chagrin Falls closing, and one over actually in Wooster, Ohio, and it looks like we may be getting a subdivision soon. So, if you're wanting to get a good realtor, a realtor that has his pulse on the market, me and Lori are those realtors. We represent Century 21 and Transaction Realty right now, and we would love to get your business, but we go out and we find properties that are hard to find. We wrote 4 contracts today. So if you're looking for a property, we have an awesome new app that you can have that will give to you for free, that you can actually go by and take a picture of a house and get all the information you want. Imagine that, driving through, you see a house that you like, you take a picture, boom, there's all the information. So give me a call, free consultation. My number's 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. Lori, why don't you give me your number?
216-695-3379.
So we are here to help you. We're here to find some houses. It's going to be a great 2018. You want to sell a house? We've sold our last 3 houses in 10 days or less. So give us a call. We're looking forward to serving you in 2018, and we have a bigger, better product, and we have all the service that you need to be successful in finding a house or selling your house or finding that perfect home. Thanks.